Welcome to the wild side of goal setting, where success isn't just a destination, but a daring adventure. Ever wonder what separates the ordinary from the extraordinary? It's not just talent or luck. It's the daring strategies they employ. What do you do next? Today, we're diving deep into the world of goal setting, uncovering 4 outlawed tactics that guarantee success but come with a risky price tag. So, buckle up and get ready to redefine your approach to achievement. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to join our fearless community of achievers. Don't miss out on our weekly dose of unconventional wisdom. Imagine standing on the edge of greatness, with nothing but uncertainty below. That's the essence of the daredevil's gambit. It's about taking the leap before you look, embracing the thrill of the unknown, and soaring to new heights. Whether it's launching a new business or pursuing a passion project, sometimes you have to embrace the unknown and trust in your ability to soar. Next up, we have the Maverick's Maneuver. This tactic involves defying conventional wisdom and charting your own course, even if it means breaking a few rules along the way. Remember, great achievements rarely come from playing it safe. So, dare to be different and blaze a trail that others can't help but follow. Our third outlawed tactic is the Renegade's Rally. It's all about harnessing the power of rebellion to fuel your drive towards success. Sometimes the greatest breakthroughs come from questioning the norms and pushing against the boundaries of convention. So, don't be afraid to stir the pot and ignite a revolution of your own. Finally, we come to the Outlaw's Odyssey. This tactic is for those who aren't afraid to venture into uncharted territory and embrace the journey, no matter where it may lead. Remember, the path to success is rarely a straight line. It's filled with twists, turns, and unexpected detours. But it's those who embrace the adventure who ultimately reach their destination. So, as you stand on the precipice of your own odyssey, ask yourself, are you ready to embrace the unknown? Are you prepared to defy the norms and carve your own path? The journey may be perilous, but the rewards are beyond measure. And there you have it, 4 outlawed goal-setting tactics that are sure to set your soul on fire. But remember, with great risk comes great reward. So, are you ready to defy the odds and rewrite the rules of success? If you're hungry for more unconventional wisdom and daring insights, be sure to check out our other videos and join the conversation in the comments below. Thank you for joining us on this exhilarating journey through the wilds of goal setting. If you found value in our exploration of outlawed tactics, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Together, let's continue to push the boundaries of what's possible and embark on bold new adventures.